So it's been a week since we've had the CX-50 in stock, and I'm going to be honest, the reaction to it has been overwhelmingly positive. Several factory orders, a few of them that are coming in have already been sold. It definitely seems like it's a hit. Being that it's the 7th generation, it gives you more of the tech that makes it a little bit easier to live with day to day. The seats are a lot more comfortable than some of the other models we have in the lineup. The panoramic roof is amazing to have. And the cool thing about this one is it's based off the 7th generation architecture. So it's aligned with the Mazda 3 and the CX-30 and the MX-30. So it has all those great attributes of those vehicles, the way they drive, the handling dynamics, the infotainment system, the ergonomics, the layout of the dashboard and everything. But now you've got it in a bigger package that's more usable and family friendly. And with the HMI controller in the CX-50, you have complete control over the infotainment system, which makes it a breeze to be able to cycle through different functions in it. One of the cool features that Mazda has built into the vehicle is the surround view camera. And what that helps with is if you're on a backlogging road or a forestry road, you can simply hit the view button just to the left of the steering wheel, and it pulls up the front camera. So it lets you know what's in front of you and on the side of you. You can change it to a wide angle or simply just have it look to the sides. I can definitely tell you after driving the CX-50 for the last few days that Mazda definitely did their homework. This is a great vehicle. If you'd like to know more about the CX-50, simply come on down to West Coast Mazda. You know where we are. We're just across the bridge in Maple Ridge.